Oh, yeah, it's a minute. I thought you could really kick its butt. Roundhouse.
I block every once in a while.
Roundhouse. Good one. That was a good kick.
No, it wasn't hurt at all.
Just make sure you don't pull her leg, Gary. I don't want to go no
I'm
back.
gonna. I'm being used to it. Hey! Get over here.
Get over here.
Gary, you gotta be a Chinese
Don't hit her in the
person.
face.
Yeah.
Carrie, don't hit him in the face.
Gary, you gotta be a Chinese person.
Whoa.
Whoa.
Carrie,
What?
don't hit him in the face.
I didn't. I was hitting him right there.
You barely missed him. It was going like 100 miles an hour. It's a little loose. Now you gotta tighten your belt up. Wait a minute. Time. Pull up your pants. Tighten your top of your pants, not your belt. but
Hey.
your pants.
Gary,
What?
look at me. Hey.
Tight or tight? I think it's just tie those two together here. I am. Here.
You do not take your belt off unless you kneel down.
Yeah.
You're not allowed to take your belt off unless you kneel down and take it off and fold it and put it on the floor. You never take your belt and throw it on the floor. I don't know if they taught you that or not, but you never do that.
Carrie,
What?
look at me.